Bonjour! Welcome back to your French lesson with Franco Planet. Let's learn how to ask questions. Comment poser une question? And this is part 3. Est-ce que with subject, verb, complement is the next way of asking questions. Example. Je suis en retard and I want to ask if I am late. So I would ask, est-ce que je suis en retard? I am late or am I late? This is a yes or no question. So the answer will be oui, tu es en retard. Yes, you are late. Or non, tu n'es pas en retard. No, you are not late. The next ones are qu'est-ce que plus the subject, verb, the complement or not. Qui est-ce qui plus the verb. The first one, qu'est-ce que is to ask about something. Example, il lit un livre. He reads a book. We want to know what he does, so we are asking, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? What is he doing? Il lit un livre, or il lit simply. He reads a book, or he reads. If we want to know who is reading now, then we'll ask the question, qui est-ce qui lit? Who reads? He reads. Il lit. Il lit un livre. This is a question to get new information, so the answer will be a complete sentence containing the information asked. That's it for now. Please visit our website francoplanet.com to join the courses. We offer all kinds of courses for adults and children. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you may have access and get notified of the free French lessons and learning content that we will be uploading. Merci! Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson with Franco Planet, votre destination française.